The Audi Q5 SUV has been one of the most popular SUVs in the midsize segment in Germany and Europe for more than 15 years. Audi is now presenting the latest generation of the bestseller, the Q5, which is even more modern and dynamic. It is the first SUV based on the PPC and is powered by petrol and diesel engines that have become even more economical thanks to MHEV Plus technology. The Q5 impresses with a modern and infotainment system and operation concept, customizable digital light signatures and modern driver assistance systems. The sporty Audi SQ5 complements the new model series at its premiere. In future, models with plug-in hybrid technology will expand the model family. Gernot Döllner, chairman of the board of management of Audi AG, sees the new Audi Q5 SUV as a guarantee of success. The Audi Q5 has been our most successful and most important SUV model in the midsize class for more than 15 years. The new addition is a further development of its proven characteristics, says Gernot Döllner. As the second model in our new generation of highly efficient combustion engines, it marks the next important step in the rejuvenation of our portfolio. I am certain that the new Audi Q5, as a sporty all-rounder with a dynamic SUV design, will continue its success story. With the new Q5, Audi is launching the third generation of its successful model. The first generation of the midsize SUV was launched in 2008 and has dominated the premium brand segment ever since. The new Audi Q5 now continues this success story. As the second model in the portfolio, the Q5 SUV is based, like the new Audi A5 models, on the premium platform combustion PPC. The platform allows Audi to launch high-volume models with high technical standards in different segments. The flexibility of the PPC helps Audi give future models a unique character. The Audi Q5 sets new standards in the midsize segment of premium SUVs. Sporty, technology-oriented design language meets high variability and proven suitability for everyday use. Efficient and powerful engines with MHEV Plus technology, and later also plug-in hybrids, represent Audi's path to becoming a provider of future-proof premium mobility. With the E-Cubed 1.2 electronics architecture, Audi is integrating modern and future-proof connectivity and digitalization features into all new models. Audi has been manufacturing the Q5 models in Mexico for 8 years now, and also produces the new Q5 in San Jose, Chiapa. The proximity to the North American market is an important factor here. With this model, Audi begins the renewal of its SUV portfolio with combustion engines and partially electrified variants. Practical, space concept and variability. The latest generation of the new Audi Q5 has gained significantly in key product attributes, and occupants can feel this from the very first time they experience it. In combination with the new interior concept, the result is a comfortable feeling of space with ample head and legroom. A particularly practical feature of the Audi Q5 SUV is the fully adjustable rear seat. It can be moved lengthways and tilted, thus increasing the trunk volume or comfort for rear passengers as required. At the same time, 3 people can be comfortably seated on the rear bench. With the rear seats folded down, the transport volume increases to up to 1,473 liters, depending on the model variant. The luggage compartment cover can be stowed in a specially designed compartment under the luggage compartment floor. This provides even more space for luggage and a secure place for the cover. Other practical features include an even larger storage compartment under the center armrest compared to the previous model, numerous smaller storage areas for sunglasses, keys and other everyday items, an inductive and cooled charging tray with 15 watts of charging power in the front center console, 2 USB-C ports in the front, and 2 in the rear. As an option, the USB ports at the front can support charging capacities of up to 60 watts, the rear ports can even support charging capacities of up to 100 watts. This means larger devices such as laptops can be safely supplied with power while driving. Purism and dynamism, the exterior design. The third generation of the Q5 SUV models has become even sportier and offers perfect proportions. The taut and high shoulder line creates a powerful silhouette, connects the front and rear lights, and makes the vehicle appear longer. Above the sill, a rising line runs over the wheel arches and into the rear bumper, giving the vehicle a dynamic appearance even when stationary. The front is self-confident, as all the defining design elements are positioned one level higher than in the predecessor model. The sporty, wide single frame sits high and is flanked by vertical, functional air curtains. The strongly filed and sculpturally shaped headlights create a sharp, focused look, manifesting the agile and self-confident character of the car right from the front. A large air intake with sensors sits under the single frame, giving the Q5 a visually full and wide stance on the road. the exterior S-line impresses with striking and sporty body components, such as the air curtain tubes with matte anthracite chrome look accents. On the S model, these elements have a matte silver chrome look. The rear of the Q5 SUV has an extremely clear design thanks to the maximum reduction of lines. From the rear window to the lower edge of the three-dimensional shaped light strip, there is a smooth surface, defined by the light strip with a sharp cut across the entire width of the vehicle. The area between the light strip and bumper is kept sleek and gives the SUV a sporty elegance. The diffuser is integrated into the raised bumpers as an island. The positioning and shape of the functional tailpipes depends on the engine. A double square tailpipe under the diffuser on the left-hand side, for all diesel engines, or rectangular tailpipes on the right and left for all petrol engines. The S model features the four iconic twin round tailpipes in a new, sharpened design. 3 conformation characteristics and 11 colors. 3 versions are available: Basic, Advanced Exterior and S-Line Exterior. In addition, the S model is given an independent exterior appearance. In the S-Line Exterior and the S model, the front air intakes are larger and designed as aero tubes in an L-wing shape. The diffuser at the rear is significantly sportier. The black exterior package is also available for the exterior S-Line and the S model. There is a choice of 11 colors for the new Audi Q5 models, including the Arcona White solid paint finish, Glacier White, Mythos Black, Floret Silver, Navarra Blue, Grenadine Red, District Green and the new color Tambora Gray are available as metallic paint finishes. Ultra Blue Metallic, Daytona Gray Pearl Effect and the new Saphir Gold Metallic are available exclusively for the S models or vehicles with exterior S-Line. Particularly high quality and, depending on the customer's wishes, personally configurable individual paint finishes from Audi Exclusive are also available for the Q5 models. The new Audi Q5 SUV models on the German market are equipped with alloy wheels in sizes from 17 to 21 inches, depending on the exterior and engine. Aerodynamically optimized wheels are available as an option for sizes between 17 and 19 inches. The S-Line Exterior and the S model come with 19-inch wheels as standard. Forged 21-inch wheels in S design, which are familiar from other S vehicles, are available as an option. The optional 21-inch tricolor wheel is the extravagant highlight of the wheel range. Clean lines and a welcoming ambience. The interior design. The design of the interior of the new Audi Q5 SUV is based on the 4 characteristic basic features of Audi interior design. Firstly, the interior is designed to be human-centric, i.e., consistently geared towards the needs of its users. The clear layout of the interior provides overview and forms the second basic feature, visual clarity. Functionality and aesthetics are combined down to the last detail. This clear design approach is evident in the horizontal structure of the control panel. An application made of high-quality material extends like a wing across the entire width of the control panel and rises at the transitions to the doors. The control panel forms the basis for the digital stage, and for the form-fit integrated air vents. The consistent design of the center console and doors complements the orchestration of the interior. Components in aluminum look and C-clamp shape surround the controls in the doors and center console. With their ascending alignment, they emphasize the robust and sporty SUV philosophy of the Audi Q5. The central component of the interior is the digital stage, which is set up in front of the driver and front passenger in the form of the Audi MMI displays. The clearly aligned displays are integrated into the interior with a perfect fit. The slim, freestanding Audi MMI panoramic display has a curved design and OLED technology and houses the 11.9-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit and the 14.5-inch MMI Touch display. The 10.9-inch MMI passenger display can be ordered specially for front passengers. Thanks to active privacy mode with shutter technology, passengers can use the infotainment system undisturbed without the driver being visually distracted. At the same time, it offers the option of assisting the driver with navigation tasks, for example. With its material-driven design, the new Audi Q5 meets the demand for a spacious feeling with a high level of comfort. As a counterbalance to the digital and technical areas, the so-called soft wrap element runs from door to door across the entire width of the dashboard. Together with the fabric panels in the door and the armrests, this creates a homely ambience. This philosophy of material-driven design also offers the potential to individualize the interior according to your own ideas. The materials were selected from a functional point of view, and at the same time ensure clear design differentiation between the various areas in the interior. Comfort-oriented areas are emphasized with generous surfaces and soft materials. In contrast, controls are precisely designed and optionally finished in high-quality high-gloss black. The seats with diamond quilting, the soft wrap, the door mirrors, and the armrest in the sporty S-Line version are finished in the sustainable materials Cascade and Dynamica, among others. The Cascade textile upholstery is reminiscent of natural materials such as wool and is not additionally dyed. It is made from recycled materials such as selvages and recycled polyester. Part of the cover is made from the fabric impressum, which consists partly of recycled plastic fibers. Dynamica looks and feels like suede, but almost half of it is made from recycled polyester, one of the sources of which is leftover textiles. Dynamic interaction light. The clearly designed interior of the Q5 sub is also highlighted in the dark. The contour light in the dashboard and doors emphasizes the width of the interior, while the indirect light below the curved Audi MMI panorama display and in the center console creates a visual floating effect. The high-quality materials in the doors are illuminated to great effect. Added to this is the Dynamic Interaction Light (IAL), which spans the entire width of the interior as an LED light strip and supports the occupants' interaction with the vehicle. On the one hand, the IAL serves to showcase the interior and offers, for example, a welcome function or indicates when the vehicle is locked and unlocked. On the other, it provides support when it comes to safety, for example, the dynamic indicator light is visualized. This enhances the display in the virtual cockpit. The IAL always remains an additional display and does not replace the turn signals in the virtual cockpit. The Dynamic Interaction Light is part of the Ambient Lighting Package Plus. Aerodynamics and Aeroacoustics. The aerodynamics and aeroacoustics of the new Audi Q5 SUV have been optimized with a variety of detailed solutions. The clad underbody and the aerodynamically designed front and rear sections play an important role in the aerodynamics concept. Air curtains are used to channel the airflow and direct it past the wheel arch so that it flows around the front wheels and the sides of the vehicle with as little turbulence as possible. In addition, the airflow is directed around the front wheels by the air deflectors. The extensively covered underbody guides the airflow under the vehicle with reduced turbulence. Lateral aero panels at the rear of the vehicle ensure a clear separation of the air, which is directed over the bodywork. The deep roof spoiler also contributes to this. The exterior mirrors have also been aerodynamically optimized. The aeroacoustics of the new Q5 SUV are also of a high standard. The windshield is fitted with acoustic glazing as standard. To further enhance driving comfort, the front side windows are also available with acoustic glazing on request. Impressive by day and night, the lighting design. With the new Audi Q5 SUV, Audi not only underlines its leading role in lighting design and technology, but also goes one step further. The rear lights have a three-dimensional design, spectacularly bringing together the physical and digital worlds in combination with the light strip, which spans the entire width of the vehicle. At the rear, the strikingly designed second-generation digital OLED rear lights and the projection light in the spoiler above the rear window, used for the first time in Europe, deliver increased safety. It projects a graphic into the upper rear window area, thereby enlarging the brake light area. It is also integrated into the coming home and leaving home scene when leaving and unlocking the vehicle. In the case of the second-generation digital OLED combination rear lights, the 6 digital OLED panels with a total of 266 segments generate a new image several times per second using a specially developed algorithm. The active digital light signature also signifies the future of Audi lighting technology. At the front, the active digital light signature is created by the interaction of the algorithm with 15 segments that dim up and down. The individual light segments interact in such a way that the overall appearance of the light signature does not vary in terms of light intensity. In the Audi Q5, we design not only the shape of the light in a series production vehicle, but its entire movement. Thanks to the symbiosis between our lighting design and the new technology, the light of the Q5 appears livelier than ever before. We have given the light signature its own personality and the digital world its own aesthetics at the same time, explains Cesar Montada, head of lighting design. With the active digital light signature, the new Q5 continues an era of unique design and aesthetics that can only be found at Audi. With the digital OLED combination rear lights 2.0, the Q5 raises the lighting design, range of functions and therefore safety in its class to a new level. For the first time, the second-generation digital OLED combination rear lights can communicate with the vehicle's immediate surroundings car-to-X in a targeted manner. Proximity detection, which was first introduced in 2020, has been expanded in the new Q5 to include the communication light. It warns other road users of accidents and breakdowns. In addition to the regular tail light graphic, it displays a specific static tail light signature with integrated warning symbols in the digital OLED combination rear light in critical driving or traffic situations. The technology also sets new standards in terms of individualization, with, depending on equipment, up to 8 digital light signatures in the redesigned daytime running lights of the Matrix LED headlights and in the digital OLED tail lights 2.0, drivers can personalize their Q5 in a completely new way. A specially designed coming home and leaving home scene is available for each digital light signature when leaving and unlocking the vehicle. Ultra-modern combustion engines with MHEV+. The new Audi Q5 sub-family is based on the Premium Platform Combustion (PPC), a platform architecture for conventionally powered vehicles with longitudinally installed combustion engines. All models in the Q5 series at market launch are equipped with the highly efficient MHEV+ technology. The new MHEV Plus system with 48-volt electrical system supports the combustion engine, reduces CO2 emissions and at the same time increases performance and driving comfort. Purely electric maneuvering and parking are also possible to a limited extent. The powertrain generator (PTG) generates an additional drive torque of up to 230 Nm and up to 18 kW 24 horsepower of power. The 48-volt system also enables the use of an electrically driven air conditioning compressor. This offers the advantage that even when the engine is switched off, for example when coasting or at a red light, the air conditioning system continues to operate at full power and keeps the interior at a comfortable temperature. The lithium-ion battery of the vehicles with MHEV Plus is based on lithium iron phosphate chemistry (LFP) and has a storage capacity of 1.7 kWh. The main tasks of the belt starter generator are to start the engine and supply electrical energy to the battery. The new powertrain generator (PTG) enables electric driving, relieves the combustion engine, and helps reduce fuel consumption. When decelerating, the powertrain generator (TSG) feeds up to 25 kilowatts of energy back into the battery recuperation. The PPC enables gradual electrification in the form of mild hybrids. Later in the life cycle of the new Audi Q5, plug-in hybrids with a large battery and external charging option will also follow. 3 engine versions at market launch. In Europe, the Audi Q5 SUV models will be launched with 3 engine versions, with further drive variants to follow. At market launch, all variants will be equipped with MHEV Plus technology, which can provide up to 18 kilowatts 24 PS of additional power for short periods. All models use the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. The entry-level engine is the 2.0 TFSI. It delivers 150 kilowatts, 204 PS, 340 Nm of maximum torque and is equipped with front-wheel drive. As an option, quattro all-wheel drive is also available. The Audi Q5 is available with the 2.0 TDI and the EA288 Evo generation. It delivers 150 kilowatts, 204 PS, and 400 Nm of torque and is only available with quattro all-wheel drive. Audi is offering the Audi SQ5 as the top model in the series at market launch. The V6 TFSI with a displacement of 3 liters produces 270 kilowatts and has a maximum torque of 550 Nm. Agile handling and comfort. The new Audi Q5 sub offers driving characteristics typical of the brand, with largely neutral handling, and achieves a noticeable increase in comfort thanks to its optimized suspension and steering setup. It rolls off the production line with dynamically tuned steel suspension as standard. Alternatively, a sports suspension, standard on the Audi SQ5, is available. The steel spring suspension, in combination with the passive damping system FSD, frequency selective damping, and a more agile front axle, gives the Q5 an even firmer ride on the road. FSD reduces damping forces, particularly at high frequencies, for example on cobblestones, and maintains high damping forces at low frequencies, such as those that occur when changing lanes or cornering. Adaptive damper control is available in the optional air suspension. The basic configuration of this air suspension can be adapted to individual requirements via Audi Drive Select. Compa.